My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope you are well. I am doing chapter number 7, class 10, science, and the chapter name is Introduction to Trigonometry, and I am doing exercise 7.4. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button as well, so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos in time. Please share my videos, please like my videos and comment on the videos. I am doing almost every question of this chapter. This chapter is very important and so many questions are asked from this chapter. I am doing question number 16. Exercise 7.4. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta times cosine theta plus sine theta equals to secant theta plus cosecant theta. Cosecant. We have to prove left hand side equals to the right hand side. We always start from the complicated side first and simplify it. Now, just taking the left hand side, okay. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta times sine theta plus cosine theta, or cosine theta plus sine theta. Now, using tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. And cotangent theta as cosine theta divided by sine theta. Right? And the multiplication with cosine theta plus sine theta. Right? Now, simplifying the first element, cosine theta into sine theta, and this is sine square theta plus cosine square theta, right? And multiplication with sine theta plus cosine theta, right? Okay, using this sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1, using this sine square theta plus sine square theta, cosine square theta equals to 1. So we have 1 over cosine theta sine theta times sine theta plus cosine theta. Now this denominator can be written on both. The first one is sine theta divided by cosine theta sine theta. With the plus sign, we have cosine theta divided by cosine theta sine theta. Now we can see this sine theta got cancelled with this, and cosine theta got cancelled with this. So we have 1 over cosine theta plus 1 over sine theta, and we know that 1 over cosine theta equals to secant theta and 1 over sine theta is cosecant theta, which is equals to right hand side. Okay, so left hand side equals to right hand side. So hence proved. Okay. Right, hence proved in this identity. Okay, I will go through quickly. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta into cosine theta plus sine theta. So tangent theta can be written as sine theta over cosine theta plus cotangent theta is written as cosine theta over sine theta. Now multiply these two, we have sine square theta plus cosine square theta divided by multiplying these two, cosine theta, sine theta. So sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. So it is 1 over cosine theta sine theta times sine theta plus cosine theta. This denominator can be written as the denominator of sine theta and the denominator of cosine theta. So sine theta divided by cosine theta sine theta plus cosine theta divided by cosine theta sine theta. So here sine theta got cancelled and here cosine theta got cancelled. So we left with 1 over cosine theta, 1 over sine theta. It means or which equals to secant theta plus cosecant theta, which is our required answer. And I hope that you understand it well. And if you have some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. Now comes question number 18 of the same exercise 7.4. One plus cosine theta over sine theta plus sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta. We have to prove it that it is equals to 2 times cosecant square theta. So we will take the complicated side, which is the left hand side. So left hand side equals to 1 plus cosine theta over sine theta plus 1 plus cosine theta, right? Now again we cross multiply it, we get with the equals to sign 1 plus cosine theta square okay. 1 plus cosine theta the square and divided by multiply plus sine square theta divided by 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus cosine theta, sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. Right, so using the formula a plus b square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, 1 plus 2 cosine theta plus cosine square theta and plus sine square theta as it is divided by sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. Now using this sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. Using this here, we have 1 plus 2 cosine theta plus 1 divided by sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. So which is equals to 2 plus 2 cosine theta divided by sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. Taking 2 common from the numerator, we have 2 times 1 plus cosine theta divided by sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. Now 1 plus cosine theta got cancelled with 1 plus cosine theta, right? We have 2 over sine theta. So 1 over sine theta is cosecant theta, so it is cosecant theta. So which is equals to the right hand side. This implies left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Identity is proved. Right. This is question number 18. Now comes question number 19. Question number 19. So question number 19 is 1 over 1 minus cosine theta plus 1 over 1 plus cosine theta equals to 2 times cosecant square theta. Right. So taking left hand side, we have 1 over 1 minus cosine theta plus 1 over 1 plus cosine theta. Cross multiplying, we have with the equal to sign 1 plus cosine theta and plus 1 minus cosine theta. And the denominator we multiply 1 plus cosine theta times 1 minus cosine theta. Now this cosine theta got cancelled with this cosine theta. We have 1 plus 1, 2. And 1 plus cosine theta, 1 minus cosine theta gives us 1 minus cosine square theta. Right, a little explanation of this. A plus b times a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Right? So 1 minus cosine square is equal to the sine square theta identity 2 over sine square theta. And I will explain it as well. 1 minus cosine square theta equals to sine square theta. Right? So we have 2 over sine square theta. 1 over sine theta is equals to cosecant theta, so equals to 2 times cosecant square theta, which is equals to the right hand side. So we have left hand side equals to right hand side. So it proves the identity, or we may write this, it is verified. It is verified. Right, it finishes our lesson, and I hope that you understand it well. If you have some doubt, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. And if you want to pass on some suggestions about the quality of the video or anything, you may ask me on the same WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. Please subscribe my channel and please tell the others as well share my videos on the WhatsApp as a status. Thank you very much. Allah Aapka Hamiya Nasir.